After installation, the Smarther AC already shows the temperature in the room, but you can manage your system only after having associated the Smarther AC with the IR interface or with the HVAC actuator. The Smarther AC has 4 screens that you can swipe to view from right to left and vice versa. These screens display information about the system in detail, the set point page, the temperature set to be reached, the management of the fan speed, the measured humidity level, In order to manually set the temperature, go to the Set Temperature screen and press the blue or red arrow to decrease or increase the desired temperature. If you press and hold the arrow, the speed adjustment increases and the device vibrates at every step, letting you know that it's responding. Once the desired temperature is selected, you can always choose among the fan speed options: low, medium, high, and auto. Every time you change parameters and Smarther AC does the action, then it returns automatically to the home screen. The notification area shows the following icons: the snowflake when the cooling system is activated, the hand icon when the thermostat is in manual mode, and the speed of the fan. If you need to turn the cooling system on immediately, independent of the schedule, activate the boost function with the play button and select the desired time: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes. In this way, the cooling system will activate for the selected duration. While the boost function is on, the blue line will decrease to indicate how much time is left. Touch the boost key again if you want to stop the function. Once the boost time is finished, the thermostat will revert to the set schedule.